Health is not a black and white issue, and nothing is set in stone when it comes to ways to improve your health. But improving your health doesn't have to be such a painful process, and strict diets are not required in order to do so either. So take a few minutes and consider these 8 steps. Ready to dive in? Let's go. Number 1, clean it out. You have to prepare your home for a healthier you, so the first step you should take to improve your health is to clean out your fridge, pantry, and your freezer in order to get rid of foods you don't plan on eating soon, or that aren't in line with your health goals. When it comes to what you should buy, stick to whole foods. This means fruits, veggies, greens, whole grains, legumes, lean meats, and a few select treats. Number 2, feel great with 8. Getting 8 hours of sleep is so commonly recommended that most of us just let it go in one ear and out the other. But when it comes for one of the best ways to improve your health, getting adequate sleep each night is simply not optional. Your body must have at least 7-8 hours of sleep per night in order to operate at its best. Some people actually need 8-9 hours in order to feel energetic the next day and function at their best, which is no surprise when you consider how big of an effect sleep has on your overall health. Sleep affects your hormones, digestion, and your weight, so aside from your diet, getting enough rest each night should be a top goal that you focus on when you're looking to improve your health. So if you're consistently tired all day long or have trouble sleeping, be sure you look into these helpful tips to help you sleep better so you can start getting to bed on time and waking up more refreshed. Number 3, balance your macros. Macronutrients are carbs, fat, and protein. They are the number 1 sources of fuel our bodies use to do various tasks to help us operate at our best. Micronutrients are vitamins and minerals, which are also important, but micronutrients are found in all fruits, vegetables, greens, whole grains, nuts, and seeds, which make them pretty easy to get enough of if you're eating whole foods. Macronutrients, on the other hand, tend to be an issue some people struggle with. An imbalance in your macros can lead to less than optimal health, so be sure you take a look at your diet to balance out your macros. You don't have to count your macros or go on a specific macro-friendly diet, but it's still very helpful to be mindful of what you're eating. And if you want to be more precise, counting macros can be very helpful. So the answer is to start with whole foods and then take a closer look at what you're eating each day. Number 4, get up and move. Tackle your movement goals first thing in the day within the first hour you wake up. It won't only help you feel more focused and energetic all day long, but it also takes away the "I still have to work out" mentality that nags you the rest of the day when you postpone your activity time. Set a goal to move for just 30 minutes each morning and do more if you wish. Think you don't have enough time? Along with getting that 8 hours of sleep you can adjust your sleep schedule to allow you an extra 45 minutes each morning to get dressed for your morning activity. You'll be so glad you did, trust me. Number 5, organize your life. There are multiple resources that you can take advantage of to organize your life in less time, even on the go. Even just using your Google Calendar can save you a huge amount of hassle each day and take away the "did I forget to do something else important today?" panicked feeling. As you become more organized and your life feels more structured, you'll feel much less stressed and happier. This one change can benefit everything from your weight to your sleep health in the short term and the long term. Number 6, limit added sugars. For natural sweetness, use real fruit or a natural sweetener with no calories made from plants such as monk fruit or stevia. Some small amount of added sugar is fine, but make sure you stay mindful of how much you're consuming. Those calories are easy to overeat and add up quickly. Check the labels on them to make sure they only contain one ingredient. Number 7, hydrate. Our body depends on water to survive. Every cell, tissue, and organ in your body needs water to work properly. Most people have been told they should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water each day. It is best for staying hydrated. There are other drinks and foods as well that will help you stay hydrated, such as water with lemon or lime, or drink herbal tea to get enough water each day. Water is necessary for overall good health. Number 8, learn to enjoy health. As you look for ways to improve your health, be sure to enjoy the process. Get excited about trying new healthy, whole foods and explore new cookbooks with the types of eating styles you're interested in. The key takeaway is to enjoy the process of becoming healthier, even if you have a few slip-ups from time to time or make a few mistakes. In just 30 days you'll not only have a better handle on your health but also be happier doing so too. Have anything else you'd like to share? Let me know in the comments below.